Hello everybody, I'm joining you from yet another beautiful destination. We are right now in Srinagar and I am joining you from this beautiful ruined temple. It's a Vaishnav temple built in 9th century AD. It's called as Avantipura. It was apparently the capital of this entire region back then. It's a magnificent ruin, and coming to a place like this, you realize that our life, we are so timeless. We have probably taken birth a million times before. You get a little introspective when you come to a place like this. So I'm going to be sharing another story from my life today, and this is going to be about the power of goal setting, because somebody back then dreamt about creating a magnificent temple like this and made it happen, which means that we can dream big and we can make that big dream happen. So this story happened to me when I was about 24-year-old. Remember one day when I was in office, I was already a trainer by then. My mother gave me a call and she said that, Seema, there is a cupboard at home which is full of your diaries. Because I remember setting my goals from a very young age. I was in a habit of writing down what I want to accomplish, my bucket list and stuff like that. And my diaries are always full, even today. I journal everything. So my mother called me, said, clear your diaries out. So that day when I went home, I had looked at all my diaries starting from a young age, like maybe when I was 15, 16, I started off writing diaries. I started going through all those diaries. And trust me, I don't know if you have experienced this. When you go through your old diaries, it's a beautiful feeling, because you keep wondering, what am I going to find? What was I thinking when I was that age? What was happening in my life at that age? Because we keep growing wiser and older, and we keep evolving as people. So it's great to go back and see how and what you were. So when I was going through these diaries with a lot of interest, a small piece of paper slipped out of my diary. And I was like, what is this? So I pulled out that piece of paper and I opened it. And that piece of paper happened to be a goal sheet, a dream sheet that I had written down when I was hardly about 18-year-old. And when I was 18, I had joined a network marketing company briefly, and I had many mentors there who told me that you got to dream big. I think a lot of you would know that if you're in any network marketing company, they will make you read a lot of books and go through a lot of tapes. They're very focused on personal development. So my brief stint with network marketing actually helped me a lot in growing as a person. So I had set big goals back then. Even though I didn't have any resources back then as a person, I was a thin, scrawny, pimply teenager with hardly any potential in my life. I still wonder how I grew like this. But I think there is God's grace, and that's the reason I have grown with hard work and with dedication and with a lot of planning and a lot of goal setting, right? So when I pulled out this sheet and I looked at the goals, back then when I was 18, they felt very big. I mean, for an 18-year-old who didn't have $100 in her pocket to write down that I need to earn a salary of 40,000 just 2 years after I start working is a ridiculous amount to write down. But I had written that down. And this was 2004 when I found this goal sheet. So 2004, I've been working for 2 years. I opened this goal sheet and I started reading everything. And there came a date in that goal sheet, which was July 2004. And I had written this, listen to this, I had written that I must earn a salary of 40,000 rupees by July 2004. And when I read that statement, I got goosebumps all over. It was a surreal experience. It was a miraculous experience, because exactly a week before in my office, I had received an appraisal and my salary had been increased to 40,000. And it was like, wow, I have manifested a big dream. I have manifested something that I've always wanted to in my life. And it was such an amazing experience when this happened. And you know what was the first thought that came to my mind when I saw that I have manifested that big dream of mine? It was that, why didn't I write down 1 lakh? Why did I write 40,000? Because I know that if I had written it down, it would have happened. And since then, I have taken the process of goal setting very, very seriously. I set big goals, and both Vimal and I, we make them happen. Today, we are staunch goal setters, not just once in a year. We set goals every quarter, and we set big goals and we make them happen. So I hope my story has made you introspect, has made you think that, have I been setting my goals? Have I been setting big goals? Have I been really true to my potential? And thank you very much, everybody, for joining me in this destination with this story. And I'm going to be joining you very soon with another one. Thank you and bye-bye.